Hi guys, good morning. So we are going to be talking about another diagraph today. So just to review, when we have two letters that come together to make a new sound, that is a diagraph. So far we have done sh, ch, and th. And today we are going to be focusing on w. So W and H make w. And this is going to be all of your question words have w at the beginning, like when, where, why, who, all have the w sound at the beginning. So we have w, n is when, w, I makes why, and w, eat makes wheat. So today, you guys are going to practice making the w sound. And I want you to put your lips together and pretend that you are whistling. W, w, w. And I want you guys to practice that. So let's try and read all of these words together. Put your lips together and make the w sound and then finish the rest of the word. So we have ale, whale, whirlpool, wheel, whistle. My mouth is making the shape that I make when I'm going to whistle. Wheat. When we cook, we use a whisk. And when we want to tell someone a secret, we whisper. And we know that cats have whiskers. Good job, guys. So today you're going to find the page in your packet with these 5 pictures. And all of these words have the w sound. So I want you to make the w sound and then finish reading each of these words. And then you are going to think of 6 other words that begin or start with the w sound. I know you guys are going to do great with this, so have a great rest of your day making the w sound, like in whiskers. Bye, guys.